Hey guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today we have another wonderful dish on the Foodisly Kitchen, and this is beans with rabbit. We're gonna make a rabbit stew with beans. It's gonna be a special one. Jesse, what do you think about this today?
Hello everyone, hello viewers, welcome to our channel again. For those who are new, don't forget to subscribe and stay until the end because we have a new tips to tell you and to show you today. Today we are cooking, as Pa said, the white and black and white bean, and it is a special bean. We're going to cook it with rabbit. And today I think that Pa is going to tell you how the recipe is going to be made.
Well, as you can see, the ingredients, we have some curry, some tomatoes, we have Maggi, oil, some onions,
and all the ingredients you saw into the picture. So now we are in the step where we're supposed to boil the rabbit. Before the step after this one, stay until that step. So we are putting all the pieces of the rabbit into the boiling water, and you can see a piece of parsley inside. And as you can see, we are taking half of a rabbit. You have the legs, the head, the leaf.
Well, as you can see, we already have everything in there. Jesse is gonna steam it a little bit before we fry it. The frying part is going to be very interesting because that is where we are going to insert our special ingredients into the rabbit to make it so spicy, beautiful, and nice as usual.
So here the boiling is basic. It's just the water, the parsley, and little salt, just to prepare a little bit the rabbit. Here we are going to prepare the marinade. The marinade is what we have to use before to put on the rabbit before frying it. First we start with the garlic, and then half a big spoon, so a teaspoon of salt, and then we also have this is the Maggi. It's a teaspoon of Maggi and a big spoon of curry. So here we're playing with the curry because of the color. It's going to help the rabbit become brown a little faster. So we're mixing and turning everything, and we also have to add oil. 2 spoons of oil, 2 big spoons of oil. Here it is. So it's very simple. The marinade is very, very simple, but it is so tasty. You have to go to the kitchen to test it and let us know what you think about the marinade. And actually, we cut the chicken. I'm sorry, I like the chicken. We cut the rabbit in the flesh so that the marinade can slice. Okay, we are learning every day. So we slice the rabbit a little bit so that the marinade can go inside the flesh to make it more tasty from the inside.
That's so good. As you can see how Jesse is inserting that marinade in the body of the rabbit into the meat to make sure that whoever is gonna eat it will feel the taste even close to the bones.
Here, this is what it is. The marinade is very small, and we did it just like this because we're going to turn all the meat, all the rabbits inside the pot where the marinade has been mixed. So as you can see, I leave the spoon and now I'm using my hands because sometimes the traditional way is even the best way to cook. Turning into French. Ici, les morceaux de lapin sont en train d'aspirer toute la marinade parce que c'est encore un petit peu chaud. And we are putting all the small pieces. As we can see, we really have to take our time. Take the time to put the marinade pieces by pieces to make sure that everything is all the slices part have a little bit of the marinade. We are almost done. At the same time, we have already put the oil in the pot. So let's go to the next step, the frying part.
Well, as you can see in this part, what we are going to do, the oil is already boiled, and Jessie is gonna be frying the rabbit and gradually to make it properly fried. Yeah, it's gonna be lovely. It's already amazing, and we can't wait to see how the results are gonna be like. Well, piece by piece, so it's gonna be putting that into the hot oil to make sure that it's properly fried.
The frying part, maybe the best part, the warm part. Now the rabbit is all brown. The color can show you that it is almost done. Just a few minutes and we will have to take it out of the pot and keep it in a little pot.
Well, as you can see, everything is so brown and nice. The rabbit is properly fried, so you keep watching to see what the next step is gonna be like. I'm so you loving the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and always follow us.
Now that the rabbit is okay, we are going to start frying the vegetables in the same boiling oil, in the same warm oil. We will add the tomatoes with the garlic, and the tomatoes, that was 2 tomatoes. We turn it and we stir it very well. We let them fry and cooked with some small salt. Like I was saying, we have to add a little Maggi, the green pepper too. That's 1 green pepper that we chopped. So here we're adding the Maggi and the salt to complete the preparation. We wait for 10 or 15 minutes, and after that we will have to add the beans with the black eye.
Well, the beans were boiled first before we put them in the sauce. It was separately boiled, separately cooked. So as you can see, the Jessie is mixing it so nicely with the sauce.
If you want to see, or if you want to know how we boiled the beans or how we cooked it before adding it into the stew, leave us a comment, or you can ask it in inbox if you want a separate video of how to prepare and how to cook the black beans, the black eye beans. So we mix all the prepared beans with the vegetables and the tomatoes. We stir it very well for more than 20 minutes. And here, what are we going to add? You already know our best, the palm oil. 1 big spoon of big spoon of the palm oil to give it a better taste, or the type of taste we like. And here is the mixture after turning it for more than 30 minutes with the palm oil. I hope you will enjoy it.
Well, a lovely video we have here for you. We hope you love it, you enjoy it. Well, do keep following us, comment, subscribe, and always give it a thumbs up.
And see you in our next videos. Thank you very much. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Here is Foodishly Kitchen, and we love you all. Goodbye.
Goodbye. And do keep following us. As you know, we are weekly giving you a taste of something new from the Foodishly Kitchen. Every week we are recording new videos, making new dishes, and trying to create something new every week. We hope you love it. We love you.